Hi goddesses, welcome. In this video we are going to be doing a wash and go. So I'm using bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. Okay, so the reason that I'm doing this is because I really want my curls to pop when I do this wash and go. So this is the consistency that I get it to. I make sure to get as much of the clumps out, as you can see, I'm like stirring it up like that, but this is the consistency that I get it to. So I go ahead and put it in my hair. Now it's rinsed out and it's time to shampoo. So I'm using Cream of Nature's Pure Honey line. And I want to sit here and make this clear. Like, I have not used the shampoo in years. It was actually in my mom's closet. And I remember when this line dropped when I was like just starting kind of like my natural hair journey. I probably was like a couple years in, maybe like 2 to 3 years into my natural hair journey. And let me sit here and tell you, even though I do not purchase Cream of Nature anymore, I'm my L girly till the day I die. This shampoo is amazing. Okay, the reason that I love this shampoo and will maybe purchase it in the future, actually, I don't even know if this line still exists. Hopefully it does. But I'm going to tell y'all that it hydrates your hair or moisturizes your hair and cleanses it. I think this is extremely important for type 4 girlies like myself to have a shampoo that moisturizes your hair as well as cleanses it. Okay, this shampoo is super amazing, super cleansing, as well as hydrating or moisturizing. With that being said, as you can see, like my hair, I sectioned it into sections because my hair is at this length now that I'm like doing it in 4 sections is too much. Okay, it's just too much, a lot of work. So I now section it only in 2 sections. And as you can see that I make sure to untwist my hair to really scrub my scalp and bring it all the way to the ends. I know in like the natural hair community, people like will swear by like washing it, all the way down with its twist. I've noticed a huge difference even back then when I did it and doing it again, that my hair actually grows a lot more and it's a lot more healthier when I actually wash it from root, untwisting my hair and to tip, you know what I mean? So here I'm like rinsing it out. But I think it is really important to untwist your hair, when you are shampooing it and really getting it from root to end, especially when you are doing a wash and go, especially if you're 4 type hair. I think it's really important. But one of the things, like as I'm like rinsing it out of my hair, I'm trying everything in my power not to disturb my curl pattern all that much. So I'm being really gentle, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really like sectioning it that much, but I'm just going through and just making sure I rinse out the shampoo. Okay, and then I put it in a twist, and here you can see like up close as I'm rinsing it out how I'm holding the ends of my hair, and you can see that my curl pattern is not disturbed, and you can see like more of my curl pattern. So yeah. So now I'm putting conditioner in my hair. This is the hydration conditioner from my L, and that's the amount that I use just for one section of my hair. So the reason that I'm putting, conditioner in my hair is because when I go to put in the gel a little, like I'm going to be doing it very soon, that I want my hair to feel healthy, and not just healthy, I want it to feel hydrated and moisturized, because one, I've never used this gel product before, and I'm using the method from this creator. I'm going to put her up. I've been following her for a long time, but she has a dope ass wash and go for type 4 girlies. Now, I'm going to be completely using her method, so I just want to give her a shout out. The products that she uses other than the gel is very different from what I'm doing. I'm doing it a little bit different for my type 4 girlies that are BC. And as you can see with the hydration conditioner, that my curls are a lot more defined now. You can see like more curls. So now I'm going to be putting the gel in my hair and using the method from the creator that I show on the screen. Okay. And I love this girl. I've been following her for years. And so she made it very clear with doing this wash and go to make sure your hair is like soaking wet and drenched, okay? Because the gel that you use, it really activates, and this is gel, it really activates well. So that's the consistency that I'm using. And she says it really, really works well the wetter that your hair is. And immediately you can tell, like, I cannot see my hair, by the way. There's no mirror in front of me, but I can feel my curl pattern immediately defining itself. And on top of that, look at the elongation. I don't even know if that's a word. But anyway, my hair is elongated, okay? Like, it is stretched. And then I turn on the water to add more water to it because she says it really, really, really works well with water, okay? So you can see it. You can see the definition. It's looking good already. So one of the things that I will sit here and say too is the creator talked about like doing it in small sections. As you can see right here, I'm not really doing it in like too small of a section. This is a big chunk like I'm taking from my hair. So if you are someone that has my hair type, you'll see what it looks like once I get out the shower. But if you really want your curls to be defined, I definitely recommend doing smaller sections. But even with doing this thick ass section and putting the gel in, you can see that my curls are already starting to define. I am doing the shingling method as well. But yeah, y'all, I'm really shocked. I'm shooketh, okay? Like, my hair has never looked this defined. Like, I'm trying to look at it because I can't see it. I don't have a mirror. But look at how defined my hair is. I am type 4BC, and the creator, she's like 4A and B, I believe. So I have more of 4BC, and I'm shocked on how defined my curls are. I've never seen my curls this defined except for when I do the bentonite clay. But you can see how I'm moving it. I'm seeing the curls popping and all that and more. So now this is after the shower when we put the gel in and we have a little bit of the hydration conditioner in the hair. Look at how juicy these curls are, okay? When I say I am shooketh, I am shook, okay? Now, of course, if I would have did it in like smaller sections, I definitely feel like there would have been a huge difference. I would have seen like a major difference, but I am shocked and I'm super proud of how defined my hair is. My curls have I've never done a wash and go that's been like this defined. Usually what I do and have done in the past when I do wash and goes, I always use a blow dryer and like stretch it out. I'm really liking the shape of my hair. Probably could actually go outside and like air dry myself in the sun and whatever. I genuinely feel like I could sit in here and my hair would dry. I genuinely feel like this will probably help with drying my hair. 92 degrees, y'all. 92 degrees. I'm about to go inside because now I'm actually starting to get actually hot. So here I'm blow drying my hair. The original creator, I think she just air dried her hair, but I was reading something that talked about like actually like blowing out your hair. It will help from single strand knots. And let me sit here and tell you something. I think there's truth to that. I definitely feel like there's truth to that. Do I put a lot of heat to my hair? I feel like I've been using my hooded dryer a lot. But my hair is not damaged. As you can see, like I have very healthy hair, but that is just one side I stretched. It's looking good. I like it. And my curls are still kind of defined. This is like, work in process. So since this is my first time doing this, I know that the more and more that I do this, it will get easier and it will look better over time. But again, I'm super happy with the results. It's still not even fully dry. This is what I kind of put like a side part, just trying something different. But this is what I did. I stretched it a little bit. So I'm going to do a 360 for y'all. I don't know how I feel about this part right here. This is what it's looking like. See what it's gonna look like in a couple of days. I'm just trying to figure out what the heck I'm gonna do to my hair if I decide to lay down. I don't want to ruin my hair. I don't want to mess up my hair. Getting all up close, and you can see the curls and the patterns and everything. I'm really happy with this. But yeah, I'm like, let's see what it's gonna give in a couple of days. So I'll probably see you guys in like 3 days. But what's today? Saturday? So I'm gonna see y'all Monday. Okay, hey y'all. So today is July 8th, and I did my hair on Saturday, which, let me see what date that is. What was Saturday? Was the 6th. And this is what my hair is looking like today on the 8th. So it's been 3 days since I've had my hair in my natural like hair pattern and curl pattern. But I sprayed my hair a little bit just to give it some life. Not bad. I've been stretching it using my scrunchies. These are the scrunchies that I've been using to like literally take it and wrap it around to like stretch it. So I'm gonna be honest, like it's looking pretty good. I will be like washing my hair probably like this week with the gel. I don't really get too many, like, as you can see, my hair is kind of like looking like that, but it's easy to take apart. Some of them are kind of hard, but as long as I'm gentle, it comes apart. Like these came apart, so that's a good sign. I think one, for my hair, because that does mean that my hair is healthy. I feel like when my hair isn't like it needs to be trimmed or cut, like it's really hard separating my hair. Also, I just want to sit here and say too, I forgot to mention, is using the conditioner and keeping a little bit of the conditioner and then putting in the gel and leaving my hair soaking wet. My hair isn't necessarily like snagging on each other, which is good. And when I go to separate it, even when it's dry, it separates without like I have to snap my hair. Like I'll show y'all up close. So as you can see, like the little pieces, like they come separate, you know, like that. That was so easy. Like my hair is not sagging. I will sit here and say that in the past, when I have done wash and goes, my hair was very much snagging on each other, and that's why I don't do a lot of wash and goes. But I will say with this gel that I use, it really makes it crunchy. So that's one of the things that I haven't had, and maybe that's why my wash and goes have never really worked out, is because it's never had that crunchy feel to it. My hair, is it dry? Even yesterday, it was still wet inside my hair after like 3 days. So I think after 3 days it finally like dried up. But again I did actually use a blow dryer and stretched it as I showed you guys in the video. So I think that helped, because if I kept my hair air drying on its own, I know for a fact it probably would have taken by, who knows, Friday, my hair would have been fully dry. So we ain't got time for that. Just putting this out there, me using the blow dryer and stretching it, I think it did help my hair from snagging onto my other curls. Because for type girly, I know you know that our hair loves to hug on other curls, okay? My hair has not really snagged on other curls. I did do a recent trim not too long ago, and my hair has been very healthy. So that's another thing just putting there, you know what I'm saying? Like if you do try to like do this wash and go and you're not necessarily getting the same results, I want to make this clear. My hair is really healthy. I recently done a trim. You can definitely do the method that I have done. Obviously, I showed y'all the goddess that I follow and I love watching her videos, doing her method, and it helped a lot. But again, what works for me, I hope it does work for you. Everybody's hair is different, okay? So I just want to put that there, because I know how some people can be like, oh, I'm going to do the same thing and it's going to turn out the same way. Listen, my hair didn't even turn out the same way that hers did. You know what I'm saying? Because my texture is tighter than hers. Because her hair, I want to say her hair is more A, B. You know what I'm saying? Mine is B, C. Okay. So with that being said, definitely give it a shot. Definitely try. Want to make this clear too, because I've been stretching my hair a lot. When I was doing this style, my hair was already stretched, and I feel like that was one of the things that really, really helped with keeping my hair from snagging on my other curls, because my hair has been, I guess in a sense, I've been training my hair and stretched, and I think that's helping a lot too. So I kind of just want to share that with you goddesses, just so you know. And on top of that, let me know in the comments down below if you do what I do. Again, it's a little bit different from the creator that I watched. I added some other things into it, but let me know if it worked for you goddesses, and I will check y'all in the next video. Bye.
I ever slow as the fans. Check the motion, I've been where they can't be asleep for this moment. That's why they try to correct me, but can't seem to see, so I'm going. I eclipse all of them sources, I'm golded. I peep how they switch them like notice. My story just as I told it. I showed it, they aim for my head, but I won't. Niggas ain't villains, they claim that they is and can't measure my limit.